Knights of Columbus, that hurt!
I just bought this fuel tank off of eBay. It was pretty cheap. It's a lot smaller than the one I have right now. It should fit a lot better where I want to put it. I'm finding that bigger isn't always better when it comes to fuel storage. I'm going to show you why. So I installed this diesel heater under a small bench. The exhaust routes out through the wheel well, and the bin at the end acts as the last half of the bed structure. So over here we have the fuel tank I'm currently using. This is going to be a standard 5-gallon jerry can. As you can see from this angle, the jerry can sits higher than the bench, which is my main problem. So this tank has worked pretty well for me, but it's just way too big for what I need, and it doesn't fit underneath the bench that I sleep on. I'm hoping I can take the standpipe out of this, retrofit it up to this fuel tank. The goal here is to take this tank and slide it right in here. Just have that sit right there. Mind you, I still have to find a way to secure the tank down so it doesn't slide around. When I camp in my truck, I'm really only camping for maybe a night or two at a time. These diesel heaters are really efficient. This should last me about 2-3 days worth of heat. I think that will be plenty. And if I need, I can always go in and refill it. Let's get installing. So right here is the fuel tank. I'm gonna remove this nut on the top and then release this lock collar. And there's the standpipe. It's gonna be a little bit of diesel dripping. Hang that over the side. So what I'm gonna need to do is drill a hole right here, and that's gonna be where this stem goes down into. I'm actually gonna put on gloves. So I need to find the drill bit that's this size so I can drill the hole right in the middle of this. This step drill bit should get right in there. Perfect. So that'll just go together like that. Now I need to get this lined up. Just gonna bend it in a way that it hits the bottom. All I need to do is make a cut now. There we go. Stick this cap on there. Washer, nut. So one thing to keep note, you're gonna have to tighten this down and then tighten this nut. So drop this in there, tighten the big cap first, and then you tighten the smaller nut. Now we're gonna drill a small hole for expansion. Right on top like that. Now this is ready to go in. So I'm gonna try to carefully pour in some diesel. So now that this is full, I'm gonna stick the cap back in. Remember, twist the orange first and then tighten this top one. So the first thing that you want to do is going to be prime the pump. Each of these have kind of different instructions. For mine, I press the up and down arrows together. I hold it, you'll hear the pump going. Now we're ready to start the diesel heater. I'm pretty excited how this setup came out. I'm going to be testing it out this weekend over at Steamboat Springs. For more videos like this, check out my YouTube channel. Happy camping!